Good morning, students. Yesterday we were doing identities and I told you the sixth identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This identity we have studied. Now from this identity one more identity we can take, we can derive. See, if I want to find the value of a cube plus b cube from it, what will be the value of this one? A cube plus b cube. If we want to find a cube plus b cube, then this term we have to shift this side. So what will come? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This will come. And now see how we will solve it. How many terms are here? Two terms. One here, one here. Here a plus b whole cube. Here a plus b 1 power. Which is the smallest power? 1 power. So a plus b we will take common. And now what we left here? A plus b whole square we left here. Because 3 power was here, 1 we have taken outside, then 2 power we left here. And here a plus b we have taken outside, only 3ab we left here. And now a plus b, what will be the a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and this minus 3ab as it is. As it is it will come. So a plus b into a square plus b square, 2ab minus 3ab means minus ab. We can write in this way. So this is the value of a cube plus b cube, which I have taken from here. So this we can use as identity also. If we want to find the sum of cube of two terms, then first term, then two brackets will be there. In first bracket without cube, that is a plus b, and in second bracket square of first term plus square of second term, and then product of these terms, but sign should be opposite. If here is plus, then minus ab. If here is minus, then plus ab will come here. So this sign should be opposite to this. Is it clear? Seventh identity also we did yesterday, that is a minus b whole cube. See what is a minus b whole cube? A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This we have done. Now here I want to find the value of a cube minus b cube. See what will be the value of this one. For this term we have to shift that side. A minus b whole cube plus 3ab minus 3ab into a minus b will become plus 3ab into a minus b. Term will remain the same. Here if a minus b, here also a minus b. Only before minus is here, this term is negative, so this term will become positive when we will shift that side. Now what is common in both? A minus b is common in both. So what we left here? A minus b whole square plus 3ab. A minus b as it is. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square, and this plus 3ab as it is. A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab will come. So this is the value of a cube minus b cube. Is it clear? See, if we want to find the difference of cube of two terms, then two brackets will be there. First bracket a minus b, second square of first plus square of second, then their product, but sign should be opposite. If here is minus, then here will be plus. Is it clear? So now we have studied. Now we know a minus b whole cube also, a plus b whole cube also, a cube plus b cube also, a cube minus b cube also. These formulas we have learned related to cubes. What is a minus b whole cube? a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. And here a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And here cube on both, then two brackets will be there. Here cube on both, then two brackets will be here. What will be the first bracket? A plus b. What will be the first bracket? A minus b. Square of first plus square of second. Square of first plus square of second. And third term will be product. If here is plus, then minus. If here is minus, then plus. So these formulas you have to learn. Now we will do sums related to this. Question 8 I am taking now. 27p cube minus 125 minus 1 by 120 minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4p. This we want to solve. See, four terms are there. Cube is here, and this term also we can write in the form of cube, 1 by 6 whole cube, and two terms are here. Here no cube is there. So how we will do this sum? See, you know these are four terms, and which is the formula related to four terms? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and either this form or this form, four terms are there. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is equal to a plus b whole cube. This is equal to a minus b whole cube. Now here first and last term is positive, these two terms are negative. Means we will try to see, we will try that whether our question is in this form or not. So this term we can write as cube, this term also we can write as cube, and here we will see that this form is becoming here or not. 3a square b, 3ab square. So what we will do here? First we will write, see it is the cube of what? 3p. It is the cube of what? 1 by 6. And now no need to see here. We will write here 3ab plus 3ab. Here a square b, here ab square. What is a here? 3p. What is b here? 1 by 6. What is a here? 3p. What is b? 1 by 6. And now if you will solve, square of 3p is 9p square, and 3 2s are, then 9, this 9 by 2 p square will come. And if you will solve this, then 1 by 4 p will come. Means our question is in the form, we have understood the form of the question. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the form of our question. And this form is equal to a minus b whole cube. So we will also write our answer in this form. A is what here? 3p, and b is what here? 1 by 6. And now we can write the base 3 times. 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6. In this way we will do the sum. One more question we are doing now. (27 minus 125 a cube minus 135a plus 225 a square). See, here also four terms are there. First and last positive, second and third negative. First we will see that how we can write two terms as cubes. 27 we can write as cube of 3. This we can write as cube of 5a. And now no need to see, only see the sign, minus as it is. 3ab plus 3ab, square on a, square on b. We want to write these two terms in this form. See, what is a here? 3. What is b? 5a. What is a? 3. What is b? 5a. And now if you will solve, you will get 135a. And if you will solve this one, you will get 225a square. So we understood the form of the question: a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. And this is equal to a minus b whole cube. And if all terms are positive, then a plus b whole cube will be there. Then our terms will come in plus. Now here 3 minus 5a whole cube, and we will write 3 minus 5a 3 times. So in this way you can factorize. You can try question 8 and 10. These two terms, the sums you can do easily. This is the homework. Okay, thank you.